welcome back to day 14 of unboxing the 15 Days of Beatles Socks Advent Calendar. Almost done. The box get hella flimsy because of lack of anything in it. So, we're gonna dive right into day 14. What could be left behind these final two doors? And part of me wants to know, will day 15 live up to the hype of being the last door, or will it be disappointing? Also, this does not want to perforate, so I'm going to give you a little help carefully. So I don't want to accidentally go through the sock, but let's see if we can get it at least started. Okay, there we go. That's okay. I can work with it from there. And it tore, but that's fine. We're almost done with this thing, so it don't matter. I see yellow is... It's not Yellow Submarine, but hey, we get a long pair of the help socks. Okay. Okay, I'm actually totally okay with that. I am very, very happy with that, actually. Oh, and they, like, switch up the color combos and stuff. Oh my god, that's so cute. That's so cute. Oh my god, I love it. Love it so hard. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that was the second to last day. Had that been the day 15, that would have totally been worthy of final sock pair status, but we shall see tomorrow or whenever I do day 15, hopefully tomorrow, what is behind the final door. So, anyways, that's it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link as always is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.